Hi, hello, hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon. How are you? Are you happy today? It's English time again. Welcome to our lesson for this week. Hello, grade 3 students. Our lesson for this week is about opposite adjectives. Let us learn some of the most common opposites. Are you ready? Before we go on with our lesson for this week, let us review your past lessons. The teacher asked student number 1, "Where are you going?" Number 1 answered, "I'm going to school." I'm going to school. How about you kids? Can you answer? Where are you going? Very good. Hi everybody. Our game today is snail racing game. The first snail to reach the finish line will win the game. Okay, are you ready? Please choose the snail number. Are you done? Let's go. And the winner is number 4. The teacher asked student number 2, "Where are you going?" Number 2 answered, "I'm going to the restaurant." Again, "I'm going to the restaurant." It's your turn. Answer please. Where are you going? Very good. Here is our next game. Please choose the snail now. Are you done? Let's go. And the winner is number 2. The teacher asked student number 3, "Where are you going?" Number 3 answered, "I'm going to the park." Again, "I'm going to the park." It's your turn to answer. Where are you going? Great job. Here is our next game. Please choose your snail number now. Are you done? Ready? Go. And the winner is number 5. The teacher asked student number 4, "Where are you going?" Number 4 answered, "I'm going to the playground." Again, "I'm going to the playground." It's your turn, kids. Where are you going? Very good. Here is our next game. Please choose your snail number now. Are you done? Ready? Go. And the winner is number 1. Now let us review about time. When I ask you what time is it, you will answer it's. Here is the teacher and he asked student number 1, "What time is it?" Number 1 answered, "It's 8:30. It's 8:30. It's your turn, kids. What time is it? Very good. It's 8:30. Here is our next game. Please choose the snail number now. Are you ready? Let's go. And the winner is number 6. The teacher asked student number 2, "What time is it?" Number 2 answered, "It's 12:30. Again, it's 12:30. It's your turn, kids. What time is it? Very good. It's 12:30. Or you can say it's 12:30. Here is the next game. Please choose your snail number now. Are you ready? Go! And the winner is number 3. The teacher asked student number 3, "What time is it?" Number 3 answered, "It's 10:30. It's 10:30. It's your turn, kids. What time is it?" Very good. It's 10:30. Or it's 10:30. The teacher asked student number 4, "What time is it?" Number 4 answered, "It's 2:30. It's 2:30. It's your turn, kids. Answer, please. What time is it? Very good. It's 2:30. Here is our lesson for this week. Opposite adjectives. When I ask you what's the opposite of big, you will answer it's small. Are you ready? Let's start. The teacher asked student number 1, "What's the opposite of tall?" Number 1 answered, "It's short." It's short. Now let's reverse. What's the opposite of short? It's tall. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of short? It's tall. Very good. Here comes the teacher. He asked, "What's the opposite of fat?" Number 2 answered, "It's thin." It's thin. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of thin? It's fat. Very good. The teacher asked student number 3, "What's the opposite of beautiful?" It's ugly. Again, it's ugly. Now let's do the reverse, kids. Please answer. What's the opposite of ugly? It's beautiful. Very good. The teacher asked student number 4, "What's the opposite of big?" Again, what's the opposite of big? It's small. It's small. It's your turn, kid. What's the opposite of small? It's big. Very good. The teacher asked student number 1, "What's the opposite of fast?" It's slow. It's slow. It's your turn, kids. Please answer. What's the opposite of slow? It's fast. Very good. The teacher asked student number 2, what's the opposite of sad? Number 2 answered, it's happy. It's happy. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of happy? It's sad. Very good. The teacher asked student number 3, what's the opposite of long? Long hair. It's short. Short hair. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of short? Great job. It's long. The teacher asked student number 4, what's the opposite of sweet? What's the opposite of sweet? It's sour. Again, it's sour. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of sour? It's sweet. Very good. The teacher asked student number 1, what's the opposite of strong? It's weak. Again, it's weak. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of weak? It's strong. Very good. The teacher asked student number 2, what's the opposite of heavy? It's light. Again, it's light. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of light? It's heavy. Very good. The teacher asked student number 3, what's the opposite of dirty? Again, what's the opposite of dirty? It's clean. It's clean. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of clean? It's dirty. Very good. The teacher asked student number 4, what's the opposite of hot? What's the opposite of hot? Number 4 answered, it's cold. It's cold. It's your turn, kids. What's the opposite of cold? It's hot. Very good. Now let us practice. This will be your activity for this week. Please make a video clip about this, answering these questions. When I ask you what's the opposite of, you will answer it's. This will be your activity. Please make a clip for this one. What's the opposite of sad? Very good. What's the opposite of big? Okay, great job. What's the opposite of beautiful? Very good. What's the opposite of dirty? Great job. What's the opposite of hot? Okay, again, what's the opposite of hot? Very good. What's the opposite of fast? Great job! This is your activity for this week. That's all for today, kids. Thank you very much for listening and learning with Teacher Reuben. See you again next time. Goodbye, everybody. Have a good day. Stay safe.